Hello guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how to appear offline on Instagram. Let's say you don't want people to know when exactly you are online, you don't want them to message you, or maybe if you want to ignore their messages, you just don't want for them to know that you're online and that you ignore them. Maybe you just want for them to think that you're offline. So I'm gonna show you a little trick how to do that. First thing we wanna do, we wanna open our Instagram. Now at the bottom right, we're gonna click on the profile. Now we're gonna hit those three lines at the top right. We wanna go to settings. Now we wanna go to privacy. Now, if you scroll down, you can see activity status. So I'm gonna click there. Now it says show activity status. So if we toggle this on, everyone can see when we are online. As I said earlier, if you don't want people to know when you are online, you just need to make sure that this toggle is off. So we're gonna switch it off. And that's it. Now you can be online whenever you want and nobody can tell. So that was all for this tutorial, guys. Thank you for watching and goodbye.